Welcome students, this is your Bala sir and I'll be teaching you Maths for standard 7th. I'll be teaching you chapter 6 indices. In the last video I have taught you practice set 26 and in this video you will be learning practice set 27 and practice set 28. But before seeing this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel which is given in the as a red button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to subscribe it. Welcome. Let's start with practice set 27. Now from practice set 27 we'll be starting with the formula a raised to n multiplied by a raised to n, that is equal to a raised to m plus n. Just remember this formula, everyone. A raised to m upon a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Using this formula, we will solve practice set 27. The first question given is 7 raised to 4 into 7 raised to 2. Now how you will solve this? 7 is the base for both and 4 and 2 are the index. According to this formula, the base are common, so you will write 7 raised to 4 plus 2, that is equal to 7 raised to 4 plus 2 is 6. Second sum, 11 raised to 5 into minus 11 raised to 2. So here the base are common, minus 11 raised to 5 plus 2, that is equal to minus 11 raised to 5 plus 2 is 7. Done. Third one, 6 upon 7 raised to 3 into 6 upon 7 raised to 5. Now 6 upon 7 is a base, common base. So 6 upon 7, index is 3 and 5. So 3 plus 5. In this way you have to write. Then 6 upon 7, put a bracket. 3 plus 5 is 8. Similarly, fourth one, minus 3 upon 2 whole raised to 5 into minus 3 upon 2 whole raised to 3, that is equal to minus 3 upon 2 is the base and 5 and 3 are the index. So I will write minus 3 upon 2, which is the base, index is 5 plus 3. According to the formula you have to add it when there is a multiplication sign. So minus 3 upon 2, that gives 5 plus 3, 8. Now this is your fourth answer. Fifth one, a raised to 16 into a raised to 7. A is a common, 16 plus 7 is equal to a raised to, it is 23. Next, p upon 5 is the base, common, 3 and 7 are the index, which we are adding it. So the answer is p upon 5 whole raised to 10. Practice set 28. Let's start with another formula. A raised to 0 is equal to 1. Now take any value of a. Let's say I'll take 25 raised to 0, your answer is 1. 100 raised to 0, your answer is 1. If you take 72 whole raised to 0, your answer is 1. Or if you take 1029 raised to 0, your answer is 1. So that means if the base, whatever the base is, if the index is 0, your answer is 1. Next, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 upon a raised to m. You see here the index is negative, but here 1 upon a raised to m, that means here the index is positive. Let's say for an example, we write 2 raised to minus 7. So what it will be? 1 upon 2 raised to 7. If it is 5 raised to 10, it will be 1 upon 5 raised to minus 10. Let's take another example. 2 upon 3 minus 1. So here you have written the reciprocal. Reciprocal means the inverse. Here also we'll write the inverse. If I write 1 upon 2 upon 3, it will be 3 upon 2. Once again, if I write 1 upon 2 upon 3, the 3 will go up. It will become 3 upon 2 because it is an inverse. So you will write 3 upon 2 the whole raised to 1. Let's say another example. 5 upon 6 raised to minus 5. What it will be? 5 upon 6. Inverse it. It will become 6 upon 5. Negative will become positive. The only difference is here 5 upon 6 and here 6 upon 5. Here negative sign will become positive sign. The next formula is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. That is equal to a raised to m minus n. In the previous section, here I have written a raised to m multiplied by a raised to n. When multiplication is there, here positive sign. When division is there, here it is negative sign. This you can also write it as a raised to m upon a raised to n, that is equal to a raised to m minus n. This can also be the possible way. Now let us solve practice set 28, which is given in the textbook. Simplify. First sum, a raised to 6 divided by a raised to 4. Now we have to compare this sum with this formula. Now when you compare this formula, you have to subtract. That means a is the base which is common, divide is there. So when divide is there, you have to subtract. So a raised to 6 minus 4, which is equal to a raised to 2. Here m raised to 5 minus 8, that is equal to m raised to minus 3. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. This you can also write as 1 upon m raised to 3. P raised to 3 minus 13, which is p raised to minus 10. This you can also write it as 1 upon p raised to 10. X raised to 10 minus 10, that is 10 minus 10 is 0, that is equal to 1. Here we want to find the value. Now solving this, we have to find the value for this question. Let's say minus 7 raised to 12 divided by minus 7 raised to 12. Now what formula will be applied here? Divide sign is there, so it will be negative. So minus 7, 12 minus 12, that is minus 7. 12 minus 12 is 0. Now what is the answer? Any number which is raised to 0 is 1. This is your value. Next, 7 raised to 5 minus 3. Base is 7, index is 5 and 3. So it will become 7, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now how much? 7 into 7, it is 49. So the value for this is 49. Next, 4 upon 5 whole raised to 3 and 2 is there. 3 minus 2. The answer is 4 upon 5 raised to 1. So it is 4 upon 5. 4 raised to 7 minus 5, that is 4. 7 minus 5 is 2. So 4 square means 4 into 4, which comes to be 16. This is the end of your practice set 28.